Rightio, we have Tucky here from Edgeworth again. Did you watch your video last week, mate? Of how good you were? Grab the green. Didn't you? Oh, your dad liked it, so your dad knows about it. He watched it, mate. On the line, turn around facing this way. So he can tell you how good you are, can't he?
Yeah.
So rightio. Up on the toes. Take 7 steps this way. Ready? Across, down, with the arms. 1, 2, back straight. 3, 4, back straight, straighter. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry, 7. Go back the other way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Down. Leaning forward. Opposite arm forward. Ready? 1, 2. So it's a hop. 3. Hold that position. Hold the position. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. One more. 10. Perfect. Going backwards, facing this way. Turn, feet together. So it's 1. Turn the other way. 2, up on the toes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more. 10. 5 slow kicks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going. The more you do it, the more you build your muscles up and the easier it gets. So plyometrics, remember, for 3 things. 1, warm the muscles up. 2, build the muscles up. And 3, teach the neurons, things inside your brain, sprint actions. The more you do this, the more it becomes natural. Plyometrics, all plyometrics is a slowed down version of sprint actions. That's all it is. So you might jump on a box, bang, and you practice. You go into that action and you jump up and you compress again. Or you go like this. That's all plyometrics is. So, last one, sprinting. So leaning forward on the toe and the leg that goes back, arm goes forward. Ready? 1. Going backwards. 2. 3. Watch my arms, watch my arms. So arms here, and then the leg that goes back, that goes forward. Yeah, that feels a bit weird. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Other side now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you get the take off, what's going to happen? Yeah. You're going to lean and go into that position. Yes. So that's what we're trying to do there.
I remember doing Ace's split training.
Yep.
They used to teach us step by step, like when like this, on that, this one, and kind of having like, well, when you're using your fingers,
yep.
Have that down, and then you lift them up.
And you quickly change, bang, like that, fast and quick. We'll get Peter Jens back, don't worry about that. Is that who you're talking about, Peter Jens? The one that was here. Now I just grabbed my phone pad because I've lost my other one. The wind blew it away. I have no idea. I walked all the way around the field.
The wind was pretty rough today.
Oh, yeah.
I went to the wetlands at the school and
over at Shortland.
yeah, Shortland.
Where all the mozzies are.
No, there wasn't really any mozzies. They said the wind would have been.
Oh, probably true. Yeah, over and winter a little bit, but yeah, there's one couple of spots just mozzie ridden. Did you learn anything?
Yeah, it was just about water, like measuring water and stuff.
Yep. All right. So just 10 squats on 1 foot, up and down, 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh. If that leg goes out, bring it straight back and brings the body, corrects the body. Ready, go down. 1, 2, 3. Slow it down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg now. So this is building up your ankle muscles and your coordination. Ready? Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Come on. 10, 9, and 10. Last one. Down. Now this time, all you're going to do is keep the foot off the ground and just inside foot volleys. 10 of them. Ready? Let go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right. The more you do this, the easier it gets. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side now. Every time you take a touch, make sure it's perfect. Every time. It's pretty good. What you're doing is very, very good, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Concentrate. Make sure. Watch that ball as it's coming in. Make sure middle foot, middle ball. Lock the ankle. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, shoelace volleys now. Point the toe down the whole time. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't worry about it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other foot now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Let's get straight into it. Now I'm going to put that back in the car because I reckon I don't want to lose 2 in one night. Sorry? The more you do it, the easier it gets. First time you do it, you're all over the place. The more you do it, the better. You're not... Hopefully, this doesn't blow over. Making sure every single touch is spot on. So stand over here for me, please. Very simple drill. Now you're passing the ball, you're me, I'm you. So pass the ball. As soon as I pass, what's the first thing I do? Scan. And then call, yep, scan and move here. So that's what we're doing here. Transfer the ball, scan, here, left foot pass, straight back. Scan, here. We're just going to transfer the ball. Scanning here. Very simple. 1 minute. Scan, here. On the toes. Love it. Let's go, here. And that's what I'm wanting from you. Understand?
Yep.
How many mistakes do you get? 0. Love it. The first person has actually said 0. Everyone else says 1 or 2. You're the first that said 0. So, I'll put those balls away. No mistakes. Ready? Wait for me. Toes, go. Here. Transfer. Here. Good. Here. Go. Here. Use the hand. Show me which way you want it. Here. Let's go. Good. Don't worry about it. Here. Who cares? Made a mistake. Here. Let's go. Good. Let's go. Here. Here. Good. Make sure you're scanning every time. Scan every time. Love it. Let's go, Tucky. Here. Let's go. 20 seconds making first mistake. Here. Let's go. Push it. Here. Use the hand. Straight away. Quick. Let's go. Get that pace up. Here. Let's go. Here. Here. Ah. Here. That was me. Here. Good. Make sure the hands. Here. Here. Third pass. Third pass. That's it. Good. Here. Go. Breather. Good work. Right. Swap over. How many mistakes did you make? Not many. So this time, pass ball. 1, 2, scan. Open up a little bit here. As you take that touch, turn the body. Play the ball over there. Oh crap, can't feel. Here. 1, 2. Now you don't just stand there. You scan. You open the body up again. Pass ball. This time, let the pass ball slowly. Let it roll in the body. Angle the foot across the body. Make sure that ball's central. As you turn the ball to a central turn, point the shoulders towards the person and bang. Every single time. Yeah. Try to have that ball central. Oh. Make sure that ball's central. And again, first time the ball back, scan on the toes. You know how we do little steps, open the body up again. That's it. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Here. Open up, transfer. 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Transfer across the body, touch and play. Good. So it's a 2 touch here. Back. Open up, 2 touch. 1. Oh, stop. You're not trusting this foot. Twice you've done it. All I'm wanting is take a touch across, turn, bang. Remember, let it roll in, horizontal across the body, turn, let it roll across, turn, and then bang.
Yeah.
That's a player every time. Across play, as fast as you can. Ready, we'll start again. Ready, toes, go. Here, scan, open up a bit, 2 touch, 1 and 2, love it, let's go, let's go. Here, straight back, good, let's go. 1, 2, good. Here. 1 and 2. Make sure that touch, that's what I said here. Don't just go through the motions. Make sure it touch, play, good, let's go. Here, 2 touch, 1, 2, that's better. Here, 2 touch, 1, 2, up on the toes. Right up on the toes, that's it, good, let's go. 1, oh, let it roll into the body, trust yourself, let it roll in. Yes, good. Horizontal across the body, that's it, good, let's go. 1, 2. Can't hear that calling, can you hear that, Tucky? Good, we've got to get that whole package, let's go. Here, scan, love it, let's go, call the hands, show me where you want the ball. Let's go. Here, can't hear it. A touch, now you're getting tired. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good work. Oh, and the camera broke.